don't even know if you see me.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Yo guys, what's up? Here with a new YouTube video, and today, finally today, well, we got new headlights, and I'm excited because look at this box. It's huge. So let's unpack them. Oh my gosh! Can you see that? Ooh, new headlights. Ooh, let's take him out. See this? Ooh. Oh my gosh! That's how they look. Amazing. Honestly, there is a small crack up here. I don't think you can see it on camera, but that's fine. Because I've been waiting forever for those to arrive, so probably won't return them if they work. So yeah. So those headlights, I'll leave a link in the description, or it should be just plug and play. So we don't have to do no like swap, I hope. So they should just be plug and play and just go right in. So we just gotta take the old ones off and let's get straight into it. So honestly, I have no clue how to put those off. So I think there are screws here. There's a screw here somewhere, like right here. And underneath it, I'm gonna check it out. It's just a work in progress, I guess. Yeah, I hope I don't mess anything up, because yeah. I think we have to take the bumper off, like just a little bit at the front. So yeah.
Ten years later.
So right now, I'm taking the bumper off, and I just realized my blinker isn't even connected. It's like, it's not even connected. What the fuck? Don't matter. Let's keep going. I just decided to take the whole bumper off because I don't like going under it. Like, it's just uncomfortable. So I'm gonna just take the whole bumper off. I hope I can put it back together. Please kill me if I don't. Now we have all the bolts right here on bolt, all the clips on bolt and right here. And now we should be able to take the bumper off to access the bolts to the headlights easier. So bumpers off. Okay, it's time to take the first headlight out. Hey, W's. That's you can't really see it, but I snapped the bolt. I snapped the bolt. So I messed up. So suck. Okay, let's pull it out right now. Fuck, man. Okay, let's swap this out. Okay, now we have to unscrew these bolts, 3 bolts, and put it right in here, right there. Wait, what? Okay, I get it now. I gotta just take this out. I don't know how am I even gonna reach this. I take this out and put it in the other one. I just noticed that you don't even have to unscrew it. I just looked out on YouTube that you just turn it, I think. And it should come right off. And now I gotta take this off. Okay, we got the first headlight ready. We got all the stuff. We got all the stuff transferred. We gotta take this one off. This one off, but it's a tricky screw. But yeah, let's put this headlight already onto the car. Okay, let's plug this in. Okay, it should be plugged in. Okay, I'm not screwing it down yet because I want to see when both headlights are on if they're working, so I'm not screwing it in right now. Let's put the left one on. And yeah, Lego. I don't know, I didn't hear it click. I don't know. Okay, they're both in. Let's see if they work. Or I messed something up. Well, they're broken. You can't see good right now. I'm gonna pull it into the garage. Let me screw everything up, put the bumper back on, but already it looks so much better. Yeah! Finally, we got the front bumper. It looks amazing. It looks so much better. Let me drive my car into the garage so you guys can get some good shots. And that's it with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and for me personally, I love how they look, so I would definitely recommend those if you have a black Nissan 350Z. People love the HR headlights. I personally don't, so hate me in the comments. I don't care, but yeah guys, I love them. And for more content guys, like and subscribe, and like always guys, love you guys and peace out.